Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace the BISSELL air220 filter. Alright, we're not going to use no tools. As you can see, I'm going to use my index finger. We're going to tip it out. So what you want to do, support it, tip it out. Just like that. Blow. So there are 3 layers of filter. The one you see right now, that's the first layer, the sheets. And behind that is the white filter. That's the second layer. As you can see, you're just gonna use your finger, okay? Like what I said, that's the sheets, the first layer, and that is the third layer right there. So there are strips right there. So you're gonna look for the strips, the 2 white one, then you hold on to that, because there's no way you're gonna pull it out. Okay, just like that. And now we're gonna set it aside. And then I'll put the link on the description below where I got this new filter, so you can check him out. So this is the third layer of filter. It filters out debris. Okay, and then this one right here, the white, the second filter, and the sheets. So there are 3 layers. So what you want to do, this one has no contact, so the strip's gonna be facing out. Okay, push it in. So when you pull it out, we're gonna be looking to that strips, the 2 white strips. Alright, like this one too. I was looking for the strips, I couldn't find it. It's right in there. So you pull up the sheets, there are 2 strips right there. So you can see. So what I do, I tuck him out, and then I push it in, make sure the strips are exposing. So if it is time to change the new filter, they're right there. And then we're gonna install the cover. See those 2 tabs, it goes on top. So I'm gonna start from the bottom, and then plow, snap it back. See, then turn it on. Voila. Okay, easy peasy guys. Link on the description down below where you can get this filter.